Who do we have next, Greg?
Vlad.
Vlad Vitoc. MAIA. Mike, take it away here.
He is the founder, CEO, chairman, president of MAIA Biotechnology, MAIA Biotechnology, their ticker symbol, MAIA, and we welcome him to the show.
Vlad, how are you?
Thank you. Very well. Good to be here.
Hey, talk to us. Give us top down here because you're talking about immunotherapy. You know, we may be on air everywhere in the U.S. and some places abroad, but here in San Diego, where we broadcast from, obviously we're a biotech and biopharma hub. We hear about immunotherapy all the time here, but you guys are sort of at a cutting edge here. Talk about it.
Yes, so we are developing agents for the treatment of cancer, and they have a dual mechanism of action, telomere-targeting and immunogenic effect, stimulating the immune system to respond to cancer. So these are different than what you normally see as immunotherapy in the following way. So the mechanism of action, twofold. First, telomere targeting. Our agent THIO is incorporated by the enzyme telomerase in the telomeric structure of, and this creates a faulty, unstable structure. The telomere collapses, the DNA unwinds, cancer cell dies. This process is fast and efficient. It happens in 24 to 72 hours, and THIO directly kills 70 to 90% of the cancer cells. Then follows its immunogenic effect. So of the telomeric fragments, it forms micronuclei that present these fragments to the immune cells, becoming neoadjuvants in the immune pathway. This triggers an immune response so efficient that you see complete response, no recurrence, and anti-cancer immune memory.
So, Vlad, let me interrupt you. Are we talking about solid tumor cancer here?
Yes.
So what you basically said here is with the two-prong approach, tests so far say this is the panacea, this is the thing, correct?
Yes, in preclinical models, it's shown curative effects, and now we are in the clinic, and it's showing outstanding effects in non-small cell lung cancer in third line of therapy, which is one of the most difficult, most notoriously difficult patient populations to treat.
Vlad, there's some good news from you as far as the phase 2 trial with NSCLC that's recently come about.
Yes, yeah. That's from the THIO 101 trial in non-small cell lung cancer. These are patients that have become resistant to checkpoint inhibitor immune therapies and to chemotherapies as well. Mm-hmm. And we have seen efficacy like never seen before. It's in this patient population. We have seen about a year and a half ago, we've seen disease control rates in the 80-90% range. Then response rates in the 38% range. And now survival, we just press released it a couple of weeks ago, 16.9 months. Compare this to chemotherapy in this patient population, which is what they normally receive. It's 5 to 6 months. So it's threefold almost.
Was this, when this came about and the light bulb came on and you said, aha, this could be the, for lack of a better word, cure for cancer, this is an elegant way to treat it. Was it a simple answer that was in front of you guys all along, or was this something that is so novel that nobody would have seen it unless someone just happened upon it?
It's very novel. So this was, we licensed THIO from University of Texas when we formed the company back in 2018 as a telomere targeting agent. And its immunogenic effect was characterized about a year later. So it is the first time this happened. We patented it, published it, and so now we're ready to go to commercialization.
Was this therapy fully intended for cancer from the very beginning, or was it intended for something else that happened to cure cancer or happened to affect cancer?
It was intended for cancer, yes. Yeah.
From the top, what's next for you guys? So talk about FDA recognition and so on and so forth.
Yeah, so the data was so compelling in several patient populations. We tested this in the preclinical setting in lung cancer, colorectal, liver, brain cancer in combination with different checkpoint inhibitors, with Libtayo of Regeneron, with Keytruda of Merck, with Tecentriq of Roche and Genentech, with extraordinary results, with curative effects in these tumor types, also in combination with radiation therapy, also with very strong effects, in particular in brain cancers. So as a result, the FDA awarded THIO 3 orphan drug designations out of the first 3 applications for HCC, hepatocellular carcinoma, which is the dominant histology of primary liver cancers, 90%, for small cell lung cancer, the deadliest form of lung cancer, and also for malignant gliomas, brain cancers, including glioblastoma.
Sam,
Vlad Vitoc is the founder, CEO, chairman, president of MAIA Biotechnology. Vlad, am I saying that right? Is it MAIA, M-A-I-A? Is that the way you pronounce it?
Yes, MAIA.
Their ticker symbol is MAIA. So in very, very simple layman terms, and you're talking to a very, very simple man right now, is it basically arming our own immune system to attack these tumors?
Yes, yes. And that's why it's very important that THIO is used in combination with immune therapy, because it kills a lot of the cancer cells on its own, and B, it prepares the immune system to use the immune therapy as a second step. So in this 2-step approach, we call this a sequential therapy of THIO plus immune checkpoint inhibitor. You can get to outstanding clinical results.
Wow.
So I've got to ask, when you have these kind of results, does the FDA possibly fast track you? Is there a possibility for something like this?
Yes, definitely. That's something that could happen.
What's the next step for that? How do you find that out? And how do you get yourself on rep to that?
Yeah, we'll look into that as well. It's we're going to engage a very competent consulting group to assist with this. But we have what we're planning right now is we're planning to go to commercialization via 2 pivotal trials. One is pivotal phase 2 for accelerated conditional approval in the US. The other one is a phase 3 that will serve as confirmatory, but also as on its own merit will have a very high probability of technical success.
Vlad, appreciate the time. You promised to come back on with us. We'd love to follow the arc of this story. He is Vlad Vitoc, founder, CEO, chairman, president, MAIA Biotechnology, ticker symbol MAIA. All right, to keep it here, a lot more to come. Big Biz Show rolls on.